Let's look at the process to collaborate on a document in real time with another user on our network using Kofax Power PDF. So from the left nav, we'll click on Collaboration. We'll start collaboration and then choose the document we'd like to work on. Open the document, and then the next step is to choose the user that we'd want to work with. Here we go. Once we select that user, they'll receive an invitation in Power PDF on their computer, and then any changes that they make to the document on their computer are automatically reflected on ours. So they'll add a stamp. As you can see, that shows up here on our version. They'll add a comment, and you can see it's added on our version of the document in real time as well. And there you go. Any changes that are made on our version are also reflected on theirs. It's just that easy.